Hello guys, today we have a Tecno Camon 18P and today I will show you how I can perform reverse Google image search on this device. So there's two ways for it, by Google Lens and by the web browser. We'll start from the Google Lens method. So we have to open the Google Photos and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. I will choose that one. Now just tap on the Google Lens icon, and how you can see now Google looking for the similar photos automatically. Oh, sorry. This is the first method, and the second one we have to open the web browser and go to the google.com. Now it's a very important step, just enable a desktop site. Then go to this small camera icon. Sorry, we have to wait a second. And now just click upload a photo. Allow a permission to gallery and choose the photo again. And now Google looking for similar images or the same one. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.